when he wrote Proverbs, what do you think he was really referring to when he said, as a man thinketh in his heart? I think he was talking about the subconscious mind. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he.
That was a reference to what's inside his soul.
Yeah.
And these two connected made that.
And so we're just saying it in a slightly more scientific way, as what David or Solomon, whichever one it was, said 5,000 years ago. And every single smart person who's ever lived has said the same thing. Our consistent dominant thoughts become our realities. In other words, what we say to ourselves all the time, our subconscious creates that for us. Now, so that's the logic. Highly reliable. Okay, let's play with that for a second. Have any of you ever done an affirmation and it hasn't turned out the way where you actually said, okay, here's something, I'm going to lose 15 pounds. And a year later, you're 5 pounds heavier. What's happened?
Would that be an affirmation or a goal? Like you just said, like a goal, like I'm going to.
Okay, well, so let's say you said, I'm 15 pounds, I'm 175 pounds. And when I step on the scale, it says 190. But my affirmation is, I'm 175 pounds. Should have worked, right? The logic is, if you say it enough and consistently enough, this is the very reason why New Year's resolutions don't work. Because on New Year's Day, people start off with, I am this weight, or I'm going to be this weight. We set a goal, and then we affirm it over and over again. And we say, okay, this is the year I'm healthy. And let's just use I'm healthy as the example. Or, what would be a better one? I don't eat sugar. Let's use this one, which has problems in it, in its construction anyway. But that's an affirmation. So when you say to yourself, I don't eat sugar, what happens when willpower gets weak? What do we do? Instead of having a period here, we change this to a comma. And what do we put in here? You said earlier, there's a word that follows this. Or there's a word that follows this. But. I'm healthy, but I can't seem to I have to eat sugar. I can't stop eating this sugar. Okay, I don't eat sugar, but this is so yummy. And it's just this one time. Right? So I'm healthy, but I can't stop eating. We'll use that one. Now, which of those two do we give more emphasis to emotionally? It's always the second part. Exactly. Say that aloud?
When you it negates the first.
It negates it entirely. This is what the subconscious mind hears. I can't stop eating, or I'm healthy, but I can't go without there was one person, some of you may know her, every Thursday she makes cookies. And everyone comes over, all the kids, and Thursdays is cookie day. And she would tell us all about it's a great social experience, but it's every Thursday she's eating cookies. And she said, I can't not do it. It's a habit. I have to have cookies on Thursdays. Is there a lot of emotion behind that? Yeah. And if there's emotion behind any of these, the subconscious mind really believes that's what you're about. Okay, you really want this, okay. As opposed to the 50,000 other thoughts that pass through a day. Yeah, I should do that, I should do that. But if we really add the emotion to it, subconscious mind's going, oh, that's one you really want. Okay, that's what you really want me to work on. Okay. You get that?